Oh, yeah, what's up? Listen, I know that your ads are not delivering like this pizza guy right here. So if you just give me like 5 seconds, I'll try to get my pizza and then we'll talk about why your ads are not delivering, all right? So, yeah, what's up, dude? Yeah, listen, I ordered the pizza like 2 hours ago. Where is it? No, I don't want a burger. I want my pizza, like, honestly. Come on, yeah, I'm recording a video. Could you hurry this up? What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Life with Hernan. I'm just kidding. We're gonna be talking about Facebook ads, right? It's a topic that you guys seem to like a lot. And sometimes you hate it, sometimes you like it. But anyways, let's talk about how to get your ads finally delivering, because that's a question that I get a lot on the free Facebook group, why my ads are not delivering. So let's dive right into it. Now, with that said, I mentioned the free Facebook group and I've been mentioning for quite a while now, and people there are loving it because you can actually join the free Facebook group and you can actually get answers to all of your questions when it comes to Facebook advertising, when it comes to sales funnels, email marketing, how to get better clients, and a lot of the good stuff. So there's gonna be somewhere around here a link so that you can join and start asking questions right away. And with that said, I have a lot of good, let me share with you guys. I have a lot of videos over here, as you can see on the channel. There's more and there's more. There's a lot of good stuff going on this channel. So all you need to do is to just hit the subscribe button, because there's gonna be a lot of the good stuff, and then you can binge watch the YouTube videos that I've been putting out. Some people would actually do that. I don't know why. I don't think that's healthy, but in any case, you can get a lot of the good stuff. So hit the subscribe button because there's gonna be a lot of the good stuff coming up. So let's talk about Facebook ads deliverability and why some of you guys are noticing that you launch an ad, it gets approved, everything is A-okay, everything is green, all system go, but they're not delivering. Like, you wait 24 hours or even not even that, because you guys are launching ads and then 5 minutes later you're calling me and saying, "Hi, Hernan, I'm gonna die, my ads are not delivering." And I totally get it, but you need to first give it at like 12 to 24 hours and see that your ads are not delivering. So, but after that, some of you guys are actually patient and you go about your life, you do some other stuff, pretending that you do have some social life. So you go out there, you do some other stuff, and then you come back and then you see all of those zeros, so those dots or dashes, whatever. That means that your ads are not delivering. So here are 4 main reasons why your ads could not be delivering and what you need to do in order to actually start showing up and start delivering and actually start making money with your Facebook ads. So the issue number 1 is picking the wrong objective. I talked a lot about Facebook ads objectives and Facebook campaign objectives. There's gonna be a link somewhere around here, all by the hand of Cesar, my video guys. So as you can see there, it's gonna be a link over there so that you can watch the top campaign objectives that you can actually choose for your Facebook ads. Now here's the deal. The Facebook pixel actually needs data for it to work. So if you're choosing an objective like purchases, when you're running your Facebook ads and it's not delivering, try switching the objective to a previous step in the funnel. So let's say that you're running an e-commerce website or an e-commerce store. You have several steps on the funnel, right? Somebody lands on your store, that will count as a page view or sometimes a view content. Then they will go into the actual product, that will count as another view content. Then they will add to cart, that will count as an add to cart. They will add their checkout information, initiate checkout, and then they will purchase. So if the purchase campaign is not showing, what you may want to do is to go back, edit the ad set, and change the ad set, the objective to something else, like initiate checkout or even page view. Because if your ads are converting and if your campaign, your funnel and your store is well optimized, you will be able to get some results. So go ahead and change the campaign objective. That's number 1, and usually that fixes it. If it doesn't fix it, let's move to step number 2. Issue number 2 is that sometimes you're being outbidded out of the bid of Facebook. As you might know already, Facebook works as an auction. It works based on bids, and sometimes you're going into really competitive markets and sometimes really competitive seasons. Like, for example, if you try to advertise during the holiday season, November, December, you have a high chance of it not working because of the fact that everyone and their mother is dumping money on ads. So it goes the cost per 1,000 impressions, the CPM, to go up. So the way you counteract this is that if your ad sets are not advertising, it's just switch to some sort of manual bidding, like target bidding or something like that. So there's gonna be somewhere around here a graphic that will show you exactly how to do that. So all you need to do is to scroll down to the section that you see the bid and change from auto bidding to something like manual bidding. And then one pro tip here when you do manual bidding is to go a little bit higher than the desired CPA. So let's say that you're running ads for a webinar. The way you do it, and you're willing to pay $2 per website lead or per webinar lead, what you want to do is on the manual bidding or the target cost, you want to go ahead and add at least 200% CPA. So instead of $2, you will go with $4 and see how that works. That could potentially solve your deliverability issues because again, you want to bid high. Even if your budget is $5 or $10 a day for that specific ad set, you want to bid high so that will help you with the deliverability issue. Issue number 3 is that you can also go ahead and change the delivery method. So for example, the optimization window is, let's say that is 1 day, you can change that to 7 day click, or I think it's 7 day click and 1 day view, something like that. You want to change the optimization window because again, it all depends on if you're following with retargeting, if you're following up with emails and whatnot. So that will actually help you change the way the ad set and the algorithm work in that specific ad set, because 9 times out of 10 it could be the fact that that ad set is not delivering because the algorithm doesn't have enough data. So change the optimization, the conversion window. That will actually help you potentially getting the initial traction that you want to go ahead and get. And number 4 is to change the ad set creative altogether. So let's say that you're running an image ad, you want to try with a carousel ad or maybe a video ad. Usually videos get more traction and engagement than images because Facebook will count a video view as an engagement. So if your ad starts getting engagement initially over the first 24 to 72 hours, you will get some decent traction that will potentially unlock the rest of the Facebook algorithm so it can start showing your ad and you can start actually getting delivery. But usually if the creative has worked well in the past, like if you're running an image ad and it has worked really well in the past, that's the last step of the 4. That's why I mention it last. Like I don't want to switch the creative unless I necessarily 100% positively have to do it, because I know that the creative side of things is usually, it's usually the hardest, and it's like changing the other stuff on the ad set level is usually faster and easier than changing the creative altogether. But sometimes it is what it is and you need to do it. So there you have it, guys. Now you have 4 tools on your arsenal and your toolbox, whatever you want to call it, on the trunk of your car, your Facebook ads car, so that you can actually take them out and fix the wheels of your Facebook ads car so that it keep on going forward. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and join the free Facebook group. It's completely free. You're gonna love it. We deliver a lot of the good stuff on that Facebook group. And if you want to subscribe, I'm not gonna get mad. In fact, I'm gonna get really, really happy because you subscribe to my channel. And I hope that you guys get a lot of value out of this channel, right? So again, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you really, really soon on the next video. Bye-bye.